Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Andobil Easyfly magnetic phone grip. This is the newest and strongest model and good looking model out there, I think. It's a dual-sided magnetic phone ring holder, 360 degrees rotatable kickstand, and it's compatible with MagSafe. That is compatible with iPhone out of the series 12, 13, and 14 Plus, Pro, and Max models. And on top, it's possible to use that device on all other phones and cases out there, because in the box there are rings which you can install at the backside of your smartphone, and this makes your smartphone Easyfly ready. The MagSafe ring holder can snap directly to MagSafe cases. iPhone 14, 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max, 13, 13 Pro, and 13 Pro Max. Of course, 13 Mini too, and the iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, no prob for it. And of course, the 12 Mini comes with MagSafe system too. This magnet is strong, so if we use a metal ring, it is possible to use it on every other phone out there. If we use non-MagSafe regular iPhone cases, we can use these metal rings to enhance the magnet. This is the strongest magnetic force with 100% safely protect our phone. The powerful grip in place is better than we expected. We attach it securely to our MagSafe-compatible case for a maximum grip. This making sure it snaps tightly to our iPhone 12, 13, and 14 Pro Max. Also, it comes with an anti-slips out of our pocket with it. We can switch or turn our fingers to suit the grip. And when trying to make a photo, we hold it with only one finger to switch the lenses. By the way, the grip also lets us hold our phone in one hand while we're holding our coffee, for example, in the same hand. We hold our phone with just one finger. Safe, the finger holding system. And easy rotate our ring holder 360 degrees and flip it to 125 degrees for a comfortable viewing position while watching a movie or my channel on YouTube or FaceTime someone on any flat surfaces. And with a smooth 360 degrees rotation without disassembly, without stuck fingers. And as a magnetic connector, this makes our phone be attached directly on any metal objects like refrigerators, fitness equipment, or trucks, etc. We secure the fit and no drop it off. In the box, there is two plates, metal plates included too. So if you does not have a metal plate to attach it, no prob. Get this metal plate which are included on the surface. And after this, you can dock your phone with that grip holding system onto the metal plates. Andobil thinks really good. This is a powerful magnetic force device. It attached firmly, it keeps our phone safe from accidental drops. And I think it's really cool, a dual-sided magnetic attraction. The back of the MagSafe phone grip fits easily on any metal surface. And of course, it fits securely. And with that, we can free our hands. Either attach our phone to a metal surface, we can free our hands and make our life more convenient. And of course, it's comfortable to hold. We make our phone more comfortable to hold it while we use our fingers with another object. And wireless charging. It's easy to charge. Unaffected wireless charging, okay? Remove it. Then you can dock your wireless charging station onto it. And if you have a device with no MagSafe system, no problem. You have the ring on it, remove the device, and then you can attach a wireless charging station. Because it is not only easy to attach, it's easy to remove too. We stay away from sticky troubles with that. And universal compatibility. It's compatible with all phone series. Android, iPhone, iPad 2, etc. No problem. You can attach it there by the ring magnets, which are included. That's Easyfly. It's Andobil magnetic phone grip, new and strong, with dual-sided magnetic phone ring holding system, 360 rotatable kickstand, and it's compatible with MagSafe for the iPhone series 14, 13, 12, and all phones and cases out there. It's not only available in wonderful black, it's available in blue or in gemstone too. And I think all of them looking wonderful. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.